In this video, we'll go over the activation process for your new VOSKER V300 camera system. Now let's take a look at the contents of the box. Your V300 camera system will come with a 16GB micro SD card, charging cable, battery unit, mounting hardware, window stickers, and instructions. There are a few important things to consider when setting up your camera. Step 1 will be to fully charge the battery unit of the camera system. Use the provided USB cable to charge the battery with a standard USB charger. Plug the charging cable directly into the battery. The battery must be charged apart from the camera. When the charge is completed, the LED light will turn green. A 24-hour charge is recommended. There will be a few more steps before putting the battery into the camera unit. You will now want to install the VOSKER app onto your mobile device. You will be able to control your camera remotely using a smartphone or tablet for a wide variety of features and functions. You can find the app by searching VOSKER in Google Play or the App Store. Complete installation of the app. Now open the panel on the bottom of your camera. Insert the micro SD card into the card slot. The next step is to activate your camera. Start the VOSKER app and select Activate a new camera. Select the model V300. Locate your activation code and barcode inside the battery case door on the back of the camera. Scan the barcode with your phone's camera with the VOSKER app when prompted. Choose the type of surveillance you're going to do with your VOSKER security camera and enter your personal information. Your camera is now activated and you will receive a confirmation email. Before you begin setup, we recommend that you test the coverage of your location you will be placing your camera. Turn on the camera. The camera will search for a signal and the status light will flash green. Once the signal is stable, you should see a steady orange or green light depending on coverage availability. Orange, fair signal. Green, good signal. Tips for maximizing your signal. Turn off your camera and turn it on again. Try positioning the antenna at a different angle. Move your camera. When the front delay LED indicator is flashing red, a 30-second countdown will start before the photo mode is activated. When all the lights on the camera turn off, the camera is ready to use. The camera has now updated its status in the VOSKER app with its latest information. See Status tab in your VOSKER app. A delay of 20 to 120 seconds is required for the camera to update its status or transfer photos and videos to the app. The camera is now ready to record activity and transmit video to your VOSKER app. You can now set up your desired settings under the Settings tab in your app. The new settings will take effect at the next motion detection. To enable live streaming with your V300, you need to purchase an add-on and add it to your account. Go to the Account tab of your mobile to manage add-ons. Once you've successfully added the streaming package to your account, you can start a live stream by navigating to your gallery and pressing on the Stream button. The V300 has different modes of operation to best match your setup. Number 1. Eco Mode, a low-activity mode that will extend the battery life of the camera but reduce its responsiveness. Live stream only after motion detection. Number 2. Performance Mode, a high-activity mode that makes the camera more responsive but consumes more power. Live stream and video requests on demand. Installing the camera with the mounting system. First screw the round piece, then screw the other end on the camera. Then connect both together. Protecting your camera. Consider using a VOSKER security box to protect your V300 security camera against theft and breakage. It's made of heavy-duty steel and can be installed with a supplied mounting bracket or screw onto any surface and secured with a compatible lock. Detection problem can be the result of a bad installation. The camera should be installed at a reasonable distance from the area you want to secure, between 10 to 100 feet. The camera should be aimed at the target in a way to avoid backlighting and false detection caused by direct sun rays into the motion detector. Windy conditions could result in false motion detection. Make sure to install the camera on a stable surface. Optimizing the solar panel performance. Install your camera in a way that maximizes the amount of natural light hitting the solar panel. An optional power source can be used via the USB-C port. Only use VOSKER-compatible accessories. View our full line of accessories available for the V300 to make your site even more safe and secure.